Hello children, welcome to back our English session standard 6. We already finished in last lecture unit 2. As per PDF I send exercises. Now dear students, let's start unit 3. Water everywhere. This unit is about the water that is necessary for life on our planet. We know बच्चे, we need water each and every step of our life. Look at the picture. Here, unit 3, water everywhere. In this picture, write the names of as many objects as you can. Question first they given. What is happening to the water in the picture? What they ask? Write the names of as many objects as you can. Sun. First here mention sun. Here clouds. Rain. Sea. Water. Evaporation. River. Highlands. Okay बच्चे, they mention in this picture. So what is happening to the water in the picture? First question, write the names of as many objects as you can. So you have to write down from this picture. I already shown sun, clouds, rain, sea, water, evaporation, river and highlands. In this second question, what is happening to the water in the picture? I show you. Owing to the terrible heat of the sun, the water in the ocean evaporates and goes up in the air to form clouds. We already learned in lower classes that evaporation in EVS, and now we learn in your science subjects. So as per that, the terrible heat of the sun, the water in the ocean evaporates and goes up in the air to form clouds. When the water vapor condenses into cloud, it brings rain. Once more, the fallen rain makes streams and rivers and reach the ocean. This is how the water cycle completes. So बच्चे, you have learned in EVS and science subject as per how the rain formed in water cycle. So बच्चे, here given part 1, the water boy. We go as per part 1, the water boy. Vijay liked to play with water. He liked to play with water in many ways. Here they mention the ways this Vijay liked. He liked to fill up a big tub with water and play with his toy bought in there. Bathtub no, at your home. Many times in summer season, we bath in water tub and we play with toys. He liked to make big mud puddles in the garden and pretend it was a lake. He liked to open the house and splash his friends when they walked by. So बच्चे, we seen these three ways how Vijay played. His mother told him many times not to waste water, but he did not listen. His mother told him, don't waste water. One day his mother decided to take him with her to visit her brother. Vijay's uncle stayed in a small village. Vijay was very happy to go because he would be able to play with his cousins. Vijay and his mother arrived at his uncle's place late at night and Vijay went off to sleep. They reached the village and they went off to sleep. Suddenly, in the middle of the night, Vijay woke up. There was a lot of noise outside his room. Vijay could not understand why so many people were awake at night. But he was very tired. Very soon, he fell back to sleep. So, बच्चे, in this story, the water boy about Vijay. Vijay liked to play with water in many ways. In filling a big tub with water, making big mud puddles and splashing his friends by opening the house. He wasted a lot of water. His mother often told him not to do so, not to waste the water. His mother often told him not to waste the water, but he would hardly listen to her. One day his mother took him with her to visit her brother in a small village. They reached there late at night and Vijay went off to sleep. At midnight, Vijay heard a lot of noise outside his room and he woke up. Vijay could not understand why so many people were awake at night. But since he was very much tired, he fell back to sleep. So, बच्चे, we understand about this story in Unit 3, The Water Boy Vijay. We see the part further as activity 3 in our next video. So बच्चे, read out this story and mention this question answer. Write the names of as many objects you can see. I also mentioned sun, the sun, clouds, rain. Okay बच्चे, and second question I mentioned by PDF. So बच्चे, read out this story 2-3 times and we will meet in our next video as per further activities. Okay बच्चे, take care, stay home, stay safe.